Hello everybody and welcome to Magic Hair Company. We are your premium full lace and front lace wig supplier located here in Culver City. I just wanted to represent for Signet Gamma Sorority Incorporated today. I am, hey Court. I came through the Pyro chapter. I chartered the Romeo chapter and I chartered the new Delta Sigma chapter. San Bernardino Alumni Chapter. I just wanted to get on today and show you guys some of the wigs we have in store today at Magic Hair Company. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, or make an appointment to come here in our Culver City store and try on some wigs with us here today. Our first wig is a new custom creation. This is wig number 576. This is unit number 576. It will be on our website sometime next week probably. So it's done in store and I just wanted to show you guys a quick little look. So this is unit number 576. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to our newsletter. Our Black Friday sale is coming up. Yes, we will be open for Black Friday. Everything will be 30 to 50% off here in store. We will open at 10 a.m. that day and we will be here. You see we have all of these wigs in store. Plus we have our very own hair care product line. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is wig number 576. We have a couple of different wigs coming up. Some are new that you've never seen before. This is, I don't remember what the wig number is, but this is a Yaki Straight with some custom highlights in it. And then we just added a slight curl into it. Going over to our website, magichaircompany.com, and check out our featured wig section. That is where you will find all of the newest wigs that we create. This is a front lace wig. Don't forget to check out our wig show tomorrow at 3 p.m. Every Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we have our wig show where I try on a lot of the different wigs that you see behind me. If there is a particular style or texture that you would like to see from me, go ahead and drop it in the comments below, and I will definitely add that into our wig show tomorrow. Hey! Okay, so this was a Yaki Straight. I'm getting really close so you can really see that texture there. This is a 16-inch Yaki Straight. Our next one here is new. It is wig number 608. It has beautiful butterfly. What is this called? Butterfly locks? Yeah. They are, oh, it's butterfly locks on a full lace cap here. This is wig number 608. She's too long to go on the spinny thing, but I just wanted to show you guys right here. This is unit number 608. How much is 5'8"? I'm not sure which one that is. Yeah, so this is our beautiful butterfly locked unit. 5'8". We didn't do any 5'8". This is another one coming up. This is wig number 577. We did some very light streaks here. We do custom coloring here in store at Magic Hair Company. So we really can customize your wig for you however you want. As you see, this one is a angled bang bob right here. Hopefully this is picking up on camera. This is wig number 577. It will be on the website soon. The first wig, which was the first one I did? Was that the curly one or the Yaki? The curly. This one, is this the wig you're talking about? This one will probably be $850. Is this full lace? Yeah. Yeah, so this wig is about $850. It will be on our website coming up next week, or you can leave us a message and let us know to hold this for you. Here we go. She has a full lace cap. Beautiful, beautiful waves here. Here we go. Okay, so our next one, we did this beautiful bang one. That is what the scalp looks like on the bangs. It does have a real scalp here. This next one is a full lace curly 14-inch. This is a beautiful color here. So this is gonna be my next wig when I go to brunch on Sunday. Because you guys know that I love red right now. So this is a beautiful red curly wig. Yes, we do custom coloring here at Magic Hair Company. So there's no need for you to try to color your wig at home or take it to your stylist. We can do that for you here in store. Our custom coloring takes about 1 day to maybe 1 week, depending on how busy we are. If you know you definitely want to get a wig colored, don't wait until the last minute, because we want to be able to accommodate for you. But yeah, we can absolutely color any of our wigs here for you in store. Any of our wigs or bundles, we can color for you here at Magic Hair Company, because we are your custom full lace and front lace wig maker. This is wig number 612. It's very easy to style and maintain. Just simply add some of our hydrating curl definer and amplifier. Spray that in a little spray bottle. It's right here. That's what's right here. Add that in a little spray bottle, spray it, and you're good to go. All right, this next one is wig number 612. We got a lot of requests for this color. This is one of our fun, easy, everyday wigs. So if you're looking for a wig that's easy, everyday, you can throw it on and you're good to go for work, this is a great option here. Actually, no, this is the wrong one I was talking about. But this is a great option. This is one of our custom gray looks. Also just a cute, it's cute. It's a cute style. I just wanted to show the custom gray pop here, right in the front. Let me put it back on the spinny thing. This is wig number 612, a 10-inch wavy with a little custom pop of gray. So if you want us to put a little pop of gray or some gray highlights, we can do that for you here at Magic Hair Company. Let us know exactly how you want the gray colored, and we'll do that for you. Also with this lace here, you do see it in the video, but once you make your purchase, whether it's online or in store, we will gladly cut that lace for you before shipping. How do I order? I'm from Nigeria. You can order at magichaircompany.com and we will send the wig right out to you. Everything in our featured wig section on our website is in stock and available. So you can go ahead and place your order right on our website and it will collect all your information and we'll send that wig right out to you. So we do definitely have international shipping available. We have free domestic shipping, so anywhere in the United States, we will definitely ship your hair out to you for free. We do not charge an additional charge for shipping, and we have in-store pickup available. We are open right now at Magic Hair Company. Our current hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. So if you want to come in and try on your wig and decide whether you want full lace or front lace, or see some of the beautiful in-stock wigs that we have behind us, come on in, make an appointment with us. Go to our website, magichaircompany.com, and use the chat feature at the bottom and say, hello, I would like to make an appointment for this time, or hi, do you have this? And we will respond to you as quick as possible. That is the best way to connect with us, via our website, magichaircompany.com. Set up an appointment and you can come on in here to our Culver City store. We are located at 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. We're open 10:30 to 6 p.m. This is wig number 606. So we actually have a lot of braided wigs in stock right now, but we don't have time to get them all on the website, because as soon as we get them on the website, they are gone. So if you want one of our braided wigs, our butterfly locks, any, yes, we do have some right here.
Can we custom order the braided wigs?
Yes, we can custom order the braided wigs for you. So if there's something you want in a different color or length, we can definitely custom order that for you. But what I was saying is why all of our braided wigs are not on our website yet, because as soon as we get them in stock, they literally sell within a day or two. So it takes like a week for us to get it on the website. As soon as we get up, it's gone. So usually by Saturday when people come in, they take a lot of the wigs. So come on in or ask us for a specific wig that you like, and we will gladly show it to you either on our lives throughout the week or our Friday 3 o'clock live, where we showcase a lot of our videos. Now this one does not have a unit number yet. It was actually, it's a custom order for another client, but since it's ready, I'm just deciding to show it. I think we have We have a couple of wigs that are very similar to this. I think we have one that's 478 is the wig number. Don't quote me on that because we have hundreds of wig numbers. But I think if you like this wig, wig number 478 is very similar. So it has like a streak in the front, and you can definitely change the part, and that will change how these streaks fall. We just added some beautiful curls to the back. Hey, can you show natural hair curly wigs? Yes. Kachi, will you pull me a curly wig anyway? And that will be my last wig. So after this one, we will do that curly wig next. And that will be it for today. Any other requests, let us know. We'll show it during our live tomorrow. This is unit number 570. Yes. This is wig number 575. This is another new unit we were adding to our website. This is a cute 10-inch front lace with a bang. We custom color this beautiful red color. Red is really in right now. So yeah, we will be adding this in the next few days. Let us know how we can assist you and do your custom color here. We have a colorist in store on site, so you can definitely have that one-on-one custom color consultation. We can customize your hair for you. We have braided wigs in store. We have full lace. We have front lace. We really specialize in getting you a wig that fits for you. So if you're concerned about your wig not fitting or how to properly install it, one, our wigs don't need installation because they're glueless, but we will definitely show you how to take on and off your wig here at Magic Hair Company. So if you're struggling with any type of hair loss issues, or if you have questions about wig textures, wig cap sizes, wig constructions, anything like that, we are here at Magic Hair Company to help you. I do wear my wigs all the time, so I actually know what it's like when you're asking questions about my products. We do have our product line right here, our shampoo and conditioner, so you can maintain your wigs and extensions at home. But let us know how we can assist you here at Magic Hair Company. Check out my website, magichaircompany.com, and let us know how we can assist you. I will see you guys tomorrow, Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we go live and show our different wigs. We are Magic Hair Company, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you soon, guys. Bye. Happy Founders Day, Soras.